What is going on, everyone? I hope everyone had a great 4th of July. Just thought I'd bring you a shorter video today, catching us up to the 2019 Ram recalls. If you don't remember, I already have a video on the adjustable brake pedals failing. As you can see here, this was dated in February. It did slip through the cracks through me somehow. I think it was kind of overshadowed by the brake pedal one, and also the fact that this is only for certain year or certain build dates. As we'll scroll down here, you'll see that they're for the trucks built in the Sterling Heights assembly plant from October 31st of 2017 to October 25th of 2018. So this might also affect some of the 2019 Ram Classic trucks. So definitely call your dealer or check your VIN or whatever and see if this applies to you. I think my truck was built in October or November. I'll have to go out and check. Um, but if you fall within that range, definitely get this checked out. This recall is for the power steering failing, which on these trucks now they are electronic power steering. Basically, what it says here is that an improperly secured battery ground fastener could cause the power steering to fail and increase the risk of a crash. So obviously when you lose power steering, you could over or understeer because it's going to be harder to steer. So the way that they make it sound here is that at this dealership, or not dealership, at the assembly plant, um, the failure point is that there's a ground strap going to the front fender that comes loose. I think it says right here, yep, the plant updated the torque specification for the driver's side front fender ground fastener for trucks built at a later date. So apparently they were not getting torqued tight enough and they were coming loose. And when your power steering doesn't have a ground and it's electronic, you're not going to have power steering. So that basically covers this one. Any sort of repair, which it should just be them tightening up the nut a little bit, so you could do it yourself really, but if you want to be like by the book about it, bring it in, have them do it, and they will do it for free as it is a recall. All right, now moving on to the next recall, you'll see it was posted June 7th by Car and Driver. I mean, it might have been posted by other people, but I saw this article, and I actually got a letter in the mail for this one because this is affected on my truck. I did not get one for the power steering, but I am going to double check it. So my exact letter here says that it's for the Occupant Restraint Controller, or ORC. From here on out, we will refer to it as. And it says that the ORC on your vehicle may contain software that has a potential vulnerability during power down memory cleanup events, which can corrupt flash memory. Once the vehicle is keyed off, the ORC begins normal routines under its own power reserve. If the ORC powers down and interrupts a memory erase process, data corruption could occur. Corrupted ORC flash memory may result in internal fault codes, illuminated airbag warning lamp, and disabled deployment of airbags and seatbelt pre-tensioners. Okay, so as you can see under the picture here on the Car and Driver post, essentially that means that there's 300,000 corrupt modules, possibly. The airbag warning light might not even illuminate, and the dealers will begin repairs late July. So there's a couple problems I have with this, and that's the fact that um, they're not starting repairs till late July, and this was posted at the beginning of June, so basically 2 full months. Now, at the very top under the article header, you can see that it says no accidents or injuries have been reported for the problem, although it affects all 19 Ram pickups built through April 29th that are 1500s. So, although no one's been hurt yet, it just boggles my mind that they're going to go 2 full months with, and they know there's problems and there's these safety issues. I actually have to bring my truck in tomorrow because the passenger door hits the front quarter fender when you open it. It's not adjusted properly, and they have to do some paint correction and adjust the door. And I asked them if they could do this recall for me while it's there so I don't have to make another trip later in the month, and they said no. So I don't know if they don't have the software updates yet or if they don't have the new modules yet. Because basically what my letter here in the mail says is that they're going to scan your computer, the ORC, and if it has fault codes, they're going to replace the module for you. And if it does not have fault codes, they're just going to update it, reflash it with the most up-to-date software calibration. Okay, so, but here's the thing, is that either they don't, like I said, either they don't have the parts or they don't have the calibration settings yet. But it says right here, the airbag warning light may or may not even illuminate. So I'm not too concerned right now because my airbag light is not on. I've not had any problems, but if the airbag light doesn't always illuminate, then you could be driving around thinking your truck is perfectly safe and it's not. And you get in an accident and airbags don't deploy and seat belts don't work like they're supposed to. Someone could get seriously hurt or killed. So you guys post your comments below what you think on this. I can't see how a company this big, I mean, I understand being in the industry that it takes time to get software updates and parts ready for mass recalls like this, but you have to be prepared for it when you're in the first production model year of a vehicle. 2 months for a safety issue like this is quite unfathomable. Blah, blah. 2 months is quite unfathomable to me. um, I don't think it should go that long. They should have some sort of better fix or I don't know what. But let me know what you guys think down below. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button for more videos like this, and make sure to check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching.